Hello, this is Ryan Schofield and welcome to another installment in the Trading Success Zone as part of the ETX Capital Traders Workshop. Now I've just gotten back from my annual holiday of 3 weeks, back in the seat now. I'm looking at my charts, reacquainting myself with what's been going on in my absence, and just really noticed some very nice trends have formed on metals. Okay, now as it so happened, my wife forbade me to look at any charts, so it was 3 weeks totally out of the market. So it's nice to get back and have a look and see what's been going on. Now today I want to have a look at some of the trends that have formed in silver and how I'll be looking to play these trends in the coming weeks and months. So as we're looking here on the monthly chart on silver, we have had a massive run up. Okay, we were very extended. Now this is up. I put out a video not so long, well, a few months ago, based on the fact that we're very extended and I was cautious in silver. Now we've had a pullback. Okay, see, this month we had a pullback into these rising moving averages and things have taken off again. Now this is what we're waiting for. For a healthy trend, we looked to find pullbacks into rising moving averages so to sustain a trend, to keep it going in that healthy fashion. So looking at this monthly is looking good, still pushing up high. It is starting to get a little bit extended. Okay, a little snapback would be quite healthy. But looking back here, how many months did we have before we had a pullback? Okay, 4 or 5 good months before we had a pullback. Now we've got some. This is very volatile at the moment. We've got some very big moves here. So the setup needs to be really good for me to take it. Now, one of my very good strategies, buying pullbacks into moving averages, rising moving averages before the next move up, and that's pretty much what I'm looking for. Just waiting for market to continue pulling back and finding locations to buy in the rising moving averages. Now, for those of you that don't use a strategy, it's a very good strategy to time your entries, and we call it the precision moving average strategy. Okay. Have a look on our website. If you would like to know more about it, come on our education course. We will teach you to find the best places to buy a prevailing trend. So I'm quite liking this. This week is looking very good. We're making nice higher highs all the way through there. MACD is following suit. However, RSI has gone flat. Okay, so RSI is starting to get a little bit, showing little signs of divergence right there. And that's starting to show me timing of your entries needs to be good. Okay, divergence starts to show me that timing is crucial. Now bring it down to the daily chart. This is looking quite nice actually. Looking here, you can see how we've just been pulling back into moving averages and bouncing up. Now we're quite far away on this daily chart. So right now, this is in my watch list. I'm just looking for some pullbacks into these moving averages, these good regions to potentially look to buy. Okay, you can see these areas where prices acted as support and resistance. Around $34 per ounce will be quite a nice place for it to pull back to. I'll be looking, any pullbacks I'll be looking to jump on and ride out. Now we saw that the monthly is a little bit extended, the weekly showing a little bit of divergence on RSI, not too much for me to worry about. So like, as I said, my entry needs to be perfect. Timing needs to be good. Okay, so that's what I'm really focusing on now, is my timing. Trading is all about timing. To maximize your profits, you need to maximize your entries at the best way. Now, what I also like to do, especially when we're looking at the higher time frames, have a little bit of divergence, and there is a little bit of discrepancy coming in. It just makes me my trade management a little bit more of a cautious structure. So I start to take profit as the trade moves in my favor. I'll take profit as it goes. Always looking to gain my minimum 1-to-1, and then lock in profit as the market moves in my favor. Okay, so silver's looking really good to the upside. I'm really liking these trends. I'm just waiting to find places to buy in. Looking at the lower time frame, seeing the 480. Every time we put into these rising moving averages, we are just, market is just banging right up to the next side. Now this one here, you would say, well, actually this is pretty much a good time to buy. With small little candlesticks in the rising moving averages, perfect for another move back up. Looking at the higher time frames, it's keeping me out of it. It's keeping me out. It's keeping me cautious there, and that's why I'm not looking to take any trades on this lower time frame. Okay, but it's always good to look at these time frames. It always gives you a good indication of what's been happening, so you can get a good feel for what the market's been doing. Alright, so I'm bullish silver. I'm actually bullish gold as well. I don't really like the chart, don't really like the setup right now. This silver chart's looking good for any well-timed and well-placed entries, especially with a really a strong risk management focus on taking profit to lock in, just especially if the higher time frames start to kick out a little bit. Right, so that's my play. I'm looking really forward to getting in. Hopefully, some setups occur in the next week or so. I'll keep you posted on the ETX Capital TV channel on YouTube, so you can see exactly what we're doing, what markets are hot, what we are trading at Traders Precision. All right, folks. Hopefully, you found this useful. This short video, and I look forward to speaking with you next week. Cheers for now. Bye.